Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to install Bootstrap to our application. So first, go to this link. It's github.com/twbs/bootstrap-sas. Okay, we're going to install the Bootstrap SaaS gem to our application. If you can't remember this, that's fine. Just simply Google Bootstrap-SaaS gem, and this is one of the first links that will show up. And this is the Bootstrap SaaS gem. It makes the entire Bootstrap library available to use in our Rails application simply by installing this gem. So we're going to follow instructions for Ruby on Rails over here. First step is copy this line, gem bootstrap SaaS. Copy the first line fully. You don't need to have the second line copied because your application already comes with it. Okay, SaaS Rails, your application already comes with it. So first, in your application, go to your gem file, and right over here where it says use SCSS for style sheets, above SaaS Rails, I'm just going to paste the gem bootstrap SaaS that I copied. Save that. What does it say to do next? Okay, then it asks to bundle install. So let's do that. And it also says one more thing. If your server is running, to restart your server, but our server is not running, so I don't have to do that. So first, I've saved my gem file, bundle install -- without production, hit enter. Okay, now Bootstrap is installed. Now next step, what does it say? We're going to scroll down over here. We will not follow this instruction. We're going to use a custom.css.scss file where we're going to store all our styles. And then it says over here in your application.js file to do this. So let's build our custom CSS SCSS file. All right. So go to app, assets, style sheets. Over here you have your application.css file. This is your manifest file, okay? Here it says require tree, require self, meaning it's going to include whatever other style sheets you have underneath it, and it's going to include that through this application.css file, okay? So over here, I'm simply going to right click, new file, and I'm going to call this custom.css.scss. Okay, and pull up your custom CSS SCSS file. We have to do a step here. We have to import Bootstrap there. Okay, so over here, these two lines, import Bootstrap -sprockets and import Bootstrap. So I'm going to copy these two, Command C. Don't forget the semicolons afterwards. And then I'll paste it over here. Save that. Okay. And then the next step is to add this line that says require bootstrap sprockets under jQuery. So I'm going to copy this, Command C. Here it has very clear instructions, and this is an error that's made sometimes, where you require bootstrap sprockets and bootstrap in here. We don't have to do that. We just have to require bootstrap sprockets. Some installations have just require bootstrap. It has to be one or the other, not both. Okay? Anyway, so over here, under assets, JavaScripts, application.js. This is also a manifest file, but this is for your JavaScripts, okay? All your .js files. It's going to include, if you have other files that you use, it's going to include that and make it available for your application through this file. So right here where it says require jQuery and then require jQuery UJS, right underneath it, okay? It's important to put it right underneath jQuery and jQuery UJS, Command V, save that, okay? So paste require bootstrap -sprockets, save that. And then that's it. There are no other instructions. So that is all we need to install Bootstrap to our application. So if you want any custom changes to the library that Bootstrap makes available for you, let's say if you wanted a different color for your navigation bar than what Bootstrap sets through the Bootstrap library, you would do it on top over here, on top of the import Bootstrap sprockets and Bootstrap in your custom CSS SCSS file. What am I talking about? We'll take a look at it when we start building our homepage in the next video. But before that, let's make a commit to our Git repo. So git status, and you'll see that we added this custom CSS SCSS file and we updated the gem file. The gem file.log file got updated when we ran bundle install, and we also updated the application.js file. Okay, so git space add space dash caps a git commit dash m install Bootstrap within quotes, hit enter. Okay, git push to push our code to our GitHub repository. Perfect. So that's what I wanted to cover in this video. In the next one, we'll start building our homepage. See you there.